No, you've been saying that since you moved here.
No, the blue truck is finally closer.
To being daily?
Driving it. Huh?
To being daily?
Yes.
You ain't gonna daily.
I'm going to daily a first gen again.
No, you're not.
It's not right if I'm not daily a first gen.
No. If you're gonna fit around here, you need a third gen.
No.
Come on.
No. Maybe a Commodore and a first gen, but no third gen funny business.
Gavin, you're a poopy fan. Your diaper's full.
So we got John's truck here in the shop today. It came in with the head off of the engine. It dropped a valve seat, so we were putting a D&J HP Reman in this thing, and it's getting a 12 mil, 100%, and I believe it has like a 464 with a second gen swap that was already on it. So he should be, if he was happy with it then, he's really gonna like it now. It does have a 48 swap, it's one of our repairs, and then it does have an anteater as well to control it. So it's got some good parts. It is a very big truck, so it makes motor swaps challenging, but this is the latest and greatest in the shop.
So we have another project on chopping block today, or for the rest of the week. We have Mark Rigdon's 05, I believe. Pretty cool looking truck. It's lowered 2-wheel drive, third gen dually on 22.5 custom cuts, or just 22.5 Alcoas. It is getting a 366 and a 485. Guys from Stainless got some turbo spec'd out for it, so me and Ziggy are going to tack and whack on this thing. That sounds really gay. Me and Zig are gonna fit up a bunch of stuff, get it all knocked out this week, and hopefully get it over there to where we can powder it, put it back on, and then go to the dyno.
Hey, we got Drew Benford's Fummins back on the dyno. This is a 12-valve truck that we've struggled to make power with earlier this year. We got a set of Hart's 5x20 injectors that we put in here with the Mexican hat and pistons that are in there. They said, everybody says the Hart's injectors should be the combo to win here. So we've got the fuel all the way turned down. Baseline pull made 875 horsepower. Austin Tate bought a bigger atmosphere turbo down here. It's a 92-101, 92 compressor, 101 turbine, ball bearing with a 132 exhaust housing. So we're going to play with that as well. But we're going to turn the fuel up and see what power it makes today. Okay, well, we made 1,197 horsepower with Drew Bedford's truck. This is a truck that has fought us for a while. We went through a couple different sets of injectors and ended up with the Hart's injectors that have definitely made the most power for this piston combo. We played with timing around last night. We started at 875 horsepower, kept bumping timing. We ended up at 34 degrees of timing, but just adjusting fuel quantity and timing, we went from 875 to 1197 this morning. Last night it was heat soaked. We made 1112, and it was pretty heavy on fuel down low, which was choking out the turbos, and so we adjusted the AFC, got rid of some of that low boost fueling, and this morning it did 1197 with just trimming some fuel out of the bottom end. It made more boost early, made a lot more power, a lot more responsive. So I think this truck is going to feel really good driving it on the street. For a 12-valve, it's got really good manners. So looking forward to turning this back over to Drew and letting him have some fun with it. I know this truck, he was wanting to have some fun with it this summer, but we were waiting on injectors from Hart's for a while. We'll turn this thing loose to him just in time for the salty roads to show up, so he'll probably get to play with it in the spring.